Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Plugin. I hope that you all are doing good. So nowadays I am seeing that colored eyeliners are really in and I have also applied one of them. So brands like K by Katrina and Nykaa, Sugar and many more are coming with different colored eyeliners because they are in trend right now. You will be seeing lots of actors coming up with pink eyeliners, blue eyeliners or red eyeliners which look so pretty. So I just thought why not to look for something which is pretty affordable, which you can buy easily, which is readily available everywhere. And I know that whenever we buy these colored eyeliners, we don't end up using on regular basis. If we will go for brown eyeliners or black eyeliners, we can use those colors on regular basis. But when we think of colored eyeliners, we know that we are not going to use it more, so we don't want to invest in such kind of a shades a lot. So I have come up with a very affordable range. This is Insta Liner from Lakme. I used to love their eyeliner which come in black color in the same packaging, the same Insta eyeliner. So I just thought that that particular eyeliner has worked really good for me. So I just thought why not to try blue eyeliner from the same range which I have already tried, which is very affordable. This is going to cost you below 200 and you will always get good discounts on Amazon or Nykaa.com on this product. And this doesn't smudge. This has a very good applicator, very tiny packaging which is very easy to travel with. You can see how easily you can apply it, and the pigmentation is also really nice. In one go only you will be getting the exact shade for which you are looking for. So let's see the swatch on my eyes and then we will talk more about this. So I am taking the mirror. This is actually Wet n Wild brow kit. It's very handy to whenever I have to do makeup. I usually take this particular kit. So I have already applied it halfway, so I am going to apply it on my full eyes, and I'll be applying bit thicker so that it's visible on camera and you can see how does it look. So you can see right here. See. And this is not going to smudge, and this is waterproof as well. So that's really great that in such a affordable price you are getting such a good liner, that too good from a very good brand like a Lakme. And it's very safe to use, very easy to use. The best part is the applicator is also very good, because when you go for the affordable products, usually they have a very bad packaging or brushes are not good. So you can see how pretty does it look. You can go with the thinner winged eyeliner with this. You can go with the thicker winged eyeliner with this. This is going to look so pretty, especially if you are somewhere near to my skin tone or fair skin tone or medium skin tone. This is going to suit you a lot. So this is how it look after application. It will get dry instantly and it's going to look so beautiful on your eyes. If you are someone who is looking for blue eyeliner, you can definitely go for this one. This is not too expensive also, and this is worth your money. So this was the review of this particular eyeliner for today. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have already used it, or if you like colored eyeliners and if you want me to review other different colored eyeliners as well, please let me know in comments so that I can review more products in such affordable range. And that's it. Until next time, Fashion Plugin signing off. We will meet in our next video.